The thing that I hate about acrylics, well, when I first started, I hated about, now I'm kind of used to the idea, is how fast they dry. So you don't get time to do blending unless you get just the right amount of paint on the canvas and you work in the right way quickly enough. But once you get the hang of it, it's fantastic because it dries fast enough. You can rip into the next layer of colour going on top, which is fantastic if you're a frenzy painter like me. Like, I just want to go, like, oh, this is fun. I want to just finish this painting and then I want to get on to the next one. So having each layer drying is great. There's people who are oil painters who do layering in oil and they rest their painting for a week at a time or 2 weeks at a time before they go on to the next layer because it has to have all that time to dry. That would drive me insane. I tried doing one painting that way and I gave up halfway through. I just completely lost the passion for the painting because I had to wait too long before I could get the next load of paint on. So I do all my oils a la prima now, all in one shot. This is the thing with acrylics, you can have another go. Welcome to the land of being allowed to have another go at your painting. Fix away. If you want to fix things, fix them. It's in watercolor you mustn't ever be fixing. In acrylics, you can keep on fixing until you get it right. That's so wonderful, isn't it?